Can tea really be medicinal? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Christina, your A to Z on all things tea. In my last video, we talked about how to actually make a medicinal tea. Today, we're going to be talking about the research behind medicinal plants. Now, I want to start off by saying that we would not have modern medicine to the extent that we have today if it hadn't been for herbalists and the thousands of years of tradition that they've passed down working with medicinal plants. This video is more for dissecting research studies related to medicinal teas and medicinal herbs, and using that to understand when a tea company cites those studies as sources, are they actually valuable or is it kind of just a marketing gimmick? First thing you want to look at when you see a research study is how was it conducted? Was it conducted in vitro, meaning in test tubes and culture dishes in a lab? Was it conducted in animals, or was it conducted in a human population? And furthermore, how many people were involved in the study? Also, good to know how old was the study. A study of 20 people from the 80s might not hold up its weight today still. So with that, the gold standard should be studies in human populations. In vitro studies can offer us a good window and a good glimpse to the capability of a medicinal plant and the way that it can work at a cellular or molecular level, but really we want to be looking for studies in humans. The next thing to consider is what was used for the study. A lot of times it's an extract, which is a very highly concentrated solution of the beneficial compounds in our medicinal plant, and it would take dozens of cups of tea drank per day to get the same dosage as that extract, which can be unsafe and also impractical. So if we want to truly understand medicinal teas, we want to find studies that were done on tea. Again, extract studies, really promising, really hopeful for the future of research, but we want to find studies on tea to show us what medicinal tea can do.